Dito ba? Dito ba? Tita, kapag hindi sila magkasama na kahit 2 oras, nabubuo na silang 2.
Parang ikaw?
Sila lang pag-usama natin.
Wow! Hi guys! Good afternoon! Hi! Mag-hi naman kayo! Hi guys! 30 seconds. Yan. Masakit na ang panga ni Liza pero push pa rin. Si Bobby Ken malakas humila. Ayan, pero di pa napuputol. Come on, 10 more seconds. Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala ko nakita!
We had to put close-up, the new close-up Everfresh to the test. So before the challenges, syempre, we brushed our teeth and we were trying to see if
we ate din kasi kumain maganda yan. Happy partners. Kumain kami, so kinakaya naman. Pero in your day-to-day guys, tape a lot, you guys do a lot of things. How important is using close-up?
Oh, it's super important. Lalo na pag kunwari yung mga scenes na angry and you have
to shout or minsan naman.
Hindi naman nakakaya.
Pag kinigan na eksena, di ba? Siyempre pag lunch break, kakain muna. Siyempre kailangan fresh muna bago maging eksena. Nakakaya naman. Tama. Kay Liza Soberano, di ba? Okay, and wow. And of course, how is the new Close-Up Everfresh different naman from it?
every tomorrow, maybe you let me borrow your heart. Is it too much to ask for every Sunday?
A reason to believe in forever.
Can you get a cover mo? Sige. Get the popcorn bucket from her. Yeah!
Sweet!
Give her. And cheeks together.
Waiting for another surprise. Who's that? Probably won't be surprised.
Go take a video. Watch.
Matawag na po yung YouTube Nation!
Who do you love, Ken?
Huh?
Who do you love?
I love this girl right here. A princess. My princess. Princess baby girl. Come on. Brothers, sisters, babies, and me. Is that the right lyrics? Wow. Okay, break. What's the break?
I don't know.
Backward, just put it up again. Ninjas!
We're calling that day.
My neighbors.
My name.
Okay.
Daddy Dave and the Goliath.
Hi, Tito Dance.
Hi, Tito Dance.
You suck!
Say hi, Ken. Dolce Amore soon.
Hi, Ken. Dolce Amore. Soon.
Tito Dance. Ang kasing tao eh. Marang may nasabit na phlegm sa lalim.
In the deep. Okay. Si ano mo nagreklamo niya kagabi. Sabi niya parang wala daw. Sunod. Let's start na. Alas 3. Dire-diretso ang tapos. Grabe ah. The little baby.
Take you out my face now.
The little baby.
Get out my face!
Ang ganda, oh.
Sup, sup. Like my shirt? My shirt? My shirt? Pagani shirt? Sup, sup. Sup, sup. Sup, sup. Say sup, sup. Sup, sup. Say sup, sup.
Skirt, skirt.
Kick. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus...
Kung ngiti ni Ganda o iyakap ni Ganda. Iyakap na lang. Kasi kapag nakayakap siya, ngingiti rin naman siya.
Kamusta mga kapamilya? Ganun.
Uy, mga kapamilya!
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Time final.
Hello mga pamilya!
Sige ba?
Uy, mga kapamilya.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, go!
Hello, mga kapamilya!
Bukas na po ang Bagani.
After FPJs, ang probinsyano sa Prime Dailita po yan.
Yes po, directed by Direk Richard Arellano and Sir Lester Pimentel.
Under Star Creatives po yan. Yan. Panoorin niyo po.
Bagani!
Kami.
Divided by 5. 46 na po sa'yo. Pinagigit ka lang. Ay, okay na yan. Ano ko? Thank you. Swerte mo si Darna nagsuscoop sa'yo Thank you, Darna. Si Hope may gawa. Si Liza mo.
Bakit naman, Hopi? Wala na Ken. Bakit naman, Hopi? Wala na Ken. Ken. Hopi. What are you doing?
Where'd you get that phone?
Ken. Hopi. What are you doing?
Where'd you get that phone? May ice cream si ate, oh. 231 divided by 5. 46 na po sa'yo. Pinagigit ka lang. Ay, okay na yan. Ano ko? Sabi mo ito. Thank you. Swerte mo si Darna nagsuscoop sa'yo Thank you, Darna. Si Hope may gawa. Si Liza mo.
Hi!
Kung papansinin mo si Ate, habang kumakain siya, kilala.
Opo.
cool nyo naman po. Ganyan po ba suotin yung glasses?
Yes, ito yung bagong uso.
Ah, ganun po. Ay, meron din ako. Meron din siya.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Basta ano?
Gusto ko eh.
Ano? Ano ka? Maganda ka?
No.
O ito?
Siyempre siya.
O ito? O ito?
Bonita talaga. Siya yung oh yeah, oh yeah.
Video ba to? Video?
Video pala. Picture eh. Ready na ako mag-giving.
Kasi no Christmas, ang Facebook status ko, I want a dog. Tapos walang nagbigay sa akin ng dog.
Kasi allergic siya.
Allergic ako. May shih tzu akong dalawa, pero hindi ko sila pwedeng hawakan. So this time.
Pang best actor talaga. Grabe. Grabe. Kunan mo na. Kunan mo na. Matatapos na ang probinsyano.
Also, they're gonna end Provinciano. What's Bagani about?
A superhero.
I'm so excited.
I'm waiting for Darna.
Next year.
Oh, so this hasn't started. I haven't started.
Really? I used to watch it when I was growing up, and I.
Nakakain ko na sila before our questions. Sure. Sorry.
It's alright.
Sometimes na-excited ka.
Yeah, I know. It's okay though.
Sorry. Sayang huwag kayong mainis at magalit sa akin.
Hindi ah.
Hindi naman.
Private na kayo. Kain na lang ako.
Video?
No. Ask it on to be air from dinner.
I will. Ken, my husband, this is my husband's gift for me.
Aww.
We celebrate 30 years anniversary, so
30 years?
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We married early. So he said, I'm sending you off. I wanted Hawaii, but then I said, nah, Ate May is here.
Lapit ka. Tingnan mo yung mukha mo kung mag-iwan. Kita ka doon. Mansali ka, dali. Dali. Lapit ka. Ang cute. What's up? What's up? Cute. Kuya. Barbie, lagot ka kay Chloe. Barbie, magagalit yun sa'yo.
I'm so sorry, Chloe.
Hala ka. Chloe, lagot ka, Barbie.
Wow. Benbag.
Minsan kailangan ganun.
Asan yung mga benbag? Yung saan din sa may hag.
Ano, how you gonna do it?
Hotdog. Okay. Hindi, be. Painitin mo yan.
Painitin mo to. Tapos yung chocolate, idikit mo ganun.
mag-melt naman. Kasi pag ginano natin.
So, ano, ilalagay ba ito sa apoy mismo?
Nagtatawa na naman. Yes, ganyan no.
Ken, I'm gonna make you the best hot dog ever.
Wow. Bentag. Hi. One layer.
How many layers is this?
Multi-layer. What's that? What's that? Whoa! Is that?
What's that? I don't get it. Is it too innocent? Sorry. Try doing the musical with it.
We're gonna do it.
You do it.
You come on.
Our next challenge is yung mas madaling magselos. Kumbaga, si Jelly challenge.
Parehas eh.
Kapal na mukha mo, ha?
Kapal na mukha mo.
So ano na lang, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng fans na nag-online at nakapagkwentuhan sa atin. Don't forget guys,
Perry.
Tapos kumari na lubos yan. Isusubay na lubos. Ayan. Kasi no Christmas, ang Facebook status ko, I want a dog. Tapos walang nagbigay sa akin ng dog.
Kasi allergic siya.
Kasi ako, may shih tzu akong dalawa, pero hindi ko sila pwedeng hawakan. So this. Really ba?
Yeah, parang nasanay din kasi kami na magkasama lagi sa projects. So, magkasama din naman kami dito, pero of course, minsan pag hindi nagkakatog na schedule, tumatawag naman, nagtatawagan na lang.
Namigis ka?
Oo naman, syempre.
Ikaw, Liza.
Ganun po. Siguro we've been working together for 5 years na. Ano? 4.5 years. We've been working together for 4.5 years.
So, parang kahapon, habang nagtitibing kami sa Darna siya, yun, nag-FaceTime. Nag-video call, sorry.
Nag-video call kami. Pero minsan wala siyang signal, so umaabot po kami ng one day na hindi nagkakausap. So, after that, babawi naman, like, pupuntahan niya ako sa house, mag-dinner kami.
So the feeling is mutual, ha?
Very good. Very good.
Ikaw, Enrique, bilang lakas, ha?
Yes po.
Lumalakas ba ang tibok ng puso mo? Pagka-eksena mo siya sa magana.
Lumalakas sa mga tanong mo. Oo naman po, syempre. Hindi mo po mawala.
Ganyan talaga pag inlag eh. Ganyan din nararamdaman ko.
May asin pa.
Ay, okay na, Mercy. Thank you. We are now to our last 3 questions. Lahat ba ng mga bagani taken na in real life? Yes, Liza? No, Liza, we heard it. No, Liza, no. You cannot defend yourself. We heard the first letter already.
Wait, sasabihin ko,
No. first letter. The first letter is O.
Back to you, MJ.
So, take na ba lahat?
Yeah.
Enrique, take na ba lahat ng mga magani?
Yes.
Nasagot na.
Pati si Sofia. Sofia, pinapawisan ka bigla. Bigla ka pinawisan, nag-blush ka bigla, Sofia.
Ay, may isa pala. Hindi.
Okay, Aaron, last 2 questions na tayo.
Yes, thank you. We have a question from Alexa Villano.
Minsan kailangan ganun.
Saan yung mga bend bag? Yung sa may hug.
Ano, how you gonna do it?
Hotdog. Okay. Hindi, be. Painitin mo yan.
Painitin mo to. Tapos yung chocolate, idikit mo ganun. Mag-melt naman. Kasi pag ginano natin. Oo.
Wait lang, try ko. So, ano, ilalagay ba ito sa appointment mo?
Nagtatawa na.
Yes, ganyan, no?
Naluluto din kaya yung mukha ko?
Tumataba na, Hope.
Ayan, ang taba.
Can you try it?
Oh, bigay mo kay Ken.
Ang init.
Kay Ken na lang yun. Hindi.
Pero amoy
Kuha ka
chocolate yung hotdog mo.
Hindi ko alam bakit may chocolate eh.
Hindi pa siya luto, kuya. Malamig.
Sunog lang yan, ganyan.
Hindi, chocolate talaga siya. Nalagyan siya ng chocolate. May naglagay ng chocolate sa hotdog. Party mo.
Besunog naman.
Ano ba to? Hindi, that's just chocolate on top of it.
Tikman mo. Ano yung tubig, te?
Seawater.
Sabi ni Mami, bunso, dato magpapakita ka.
Hi, Mami. Ay, andyan yung pie face o nang dinaya ako nito.
Ano yung tubig, te?
Seawater.
Sabi ni Mami, bunso, dato magpapakita ka.
Hi, Mami. Ay, andyan yung pie face o nang dinaya ako nito.
Congratulations!
Thank you so much. I want to thank my friends, my family, my fans. Thank you. Ano mo pala nilalagyan ng Tita Dimes yung video mo?
Secret.
Walang sharing.
Kami nga nag-share sa'yo eh.
Ay, walang ganyan.
Talo.
Gusto mo matalo?
Banoy.
Banoy? What noise, man?
21.
Hi, I'm Mickey. You can see? No, malabo!
Beba, save mo yan. Pakita mo kay Mickey.
Joke lang. Joke lang. No! Sige. Up-workout yan, no? Okay. Kita ba kung paano bigay yung likod mo? Tapos paglakad ko. Oh, sexy. Tapos pagdating ko doon. Opo, just wait up lang. Pagdating ko. Wow. Ang ganda pala. Kala ko pangit eh. I will go to a galaxy far, far away kung saan makita ko si Luke Skywalker at ang Star Wars, ang Star Trek, lahat ng stars doon.
Who do you love?
Star Magic.
Who do you love?
Star Magic.
Who? Who do you love?
Who do you love, Tita?
The girl behind you. Who do you love?
Where?
Mag-circle na nakaganyan. Circle like my...
Bakit nag-jump ka pag nag-circle?
Oo nga.
Ha?
Bilang.
Ha? Hello? Pupunta ako sa Florence.
Pupunta ka Florence?
Oo.
Kailan?
Ikaw sa Milan, ako sa Florence.
Remember that guy on Facebook that showed you that
He's doing what?
Yes, it is. Go. Yeah, without hands. Up, go backwards.
Ken!
Dapat nga, mas bad ka pa eh.
No, I haven't colored with them.
Alam ko, I've seen you. Remember the first time in shop? Hindi pa ganyan ka-dark yung book mo. So, gulat ako when you came back last time.
Dito may baby picture na?
Yes, doesn't look like you. Dapat nga, mas bad ka pa eh.
No, I haven't colored with them.
Alam ko, I've seen you. Remember the first time in shop? Hindi pa ganyan ka-dark yung book mo. So, gulat ako.
baby picture na?
Yes, doesn't look like you.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about
Baka naman sa ito. Hawakan niyo si Ken.
Talagang kay Hopi ka po.
The girl is smoking in.
Gagamitin nyo ng
Okay, Lego.
Lego.
Alright?
Sorry.
Your face.
Wait lang.
Sorry.
Hi! What's up, everybody in the world today? Let's go out, everybody! Kumakain sila. Sorry po, enjoy! Tissue!
Ganda mo!
Si Ken?
Yes, Tika. Si Ken, tumingin ako. Kaya mo na!
Kaya na! Uy!
Comfortable na kayo talking about it na dati parang medyo it was hard. Yeah.
So please stand by for that. And to all the winners, we're going to have chocolate to all the losers. We have a lot of things, everyone. We're boosting the hand. We have a lot of food tonight. We have overflowing drinks all for you.
Thank you for always being here for me, and I want to keep the same towards you, and I love you.
All that my heart could ever want has come true. You could give me wings to fly and
Since when?
Ha? Wala po. Wala po.
Bakit?
Wala po.
Describe na lang to us, you're in a relationship now.
As I would always say like before, para sa akin siya lang talaga yung babae.
Okay. Liza?
Wow.
Siya lang.
For me, Ken is the perfect guy.
Okay.
And he's someone who is always there and who will always be there for me.
Medyo comfortable na kayo talking about it. Dati parang medyo iwas pa, no? Parang,
Yeah.
Nagmamature na po.
Wow. Ganong level na.
Yeah, I think we're just really happy where we are.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just happy.
Okay, just to go back to that controversy about you guys not being too Filipino looking.
Yeah.
What your statement?
You know what? Everybody has their own opinion of what being a Filipino is. For
And
me,
I don't
for
think
her,
it comes in the physical.
the physical, the skin tone, the skin color. I mean, I know I'm Filipino at heart. I was born here. I was raised by Filipinos. I want to say I love Filipino food. You know, I love this country, and that's why I'm here. You know, I live here. This is my home. I'm a Filipino.
Nice.
Exactly the same thing. I may have not been born here in the Philippines. I was born in America, but the thing about me is I learned to love the Philippines as if I were actually born here, and I love Filipinos, and I love the fact that I am a Filipino, and I'm very proud to be here.
Miss Universe.
Open ba kayo?
Sorry?
Open ba kayo pag sinasabing gano'n na hindi kayo?
I didn't really get offended. Parang I just got a little hurt. Parang, you know, parang alam ko kasi yung pagiging Pinoy hindi ganun din eh. Yung, you know, yung pag-iisip at, you know, or what they were saying, you know. For me, I mean, being a true Filipino is, you know, being equal with everybody and, you know, promoting everybody, being happy that everybody is a Filipino. And if somebody says that I'm a Filipino, you should be happy as a Filipino that somebody wants to be Filipino. And for somebody that really is a Filipino, I think, you know, it's parang hindi nakaka-Pinoy po yung mga, you know, yung mga comments like that. It hurts because, you know, this is my home. I'm a Filipino.
Thank you guys.
I might not look like it to them, but...
Liza, ano yung update sa Darna? Tuloy ba daw? I mean, dami ikiwa na clear things na hindi daw matutuloy because na-busy ka sa Bagani or...
Yes, I don't know if you guys have seen the pictures coming out, but I was shooting yesterday.
How was the shooting going on? Kamusta? Kamusta yung shooting going on?
It's actually really fun. Kakaiba din to talaga na pelikula. And it was really fun working with Director Eric Manti and the rest
Everyone?
Okay. And I'm enjoying it.
May mga harness, ano na? May mga...
Mag-iupo na kayo ni mga ganda. Thank you. Thank you. Isa muna tayo.
Okay lang. Hindi daw si Enrique.
Marshall, sorry, we have to cut this.
Well, pareho kami, we have our
si Father.
projects, and I think it's also good that we go, not our separate ways, but we have our own work din para
Pasensya na po.
kami, and that way we get to work with different actors and actresses.
Last question po.
Actually, wala po yung final, there's still casting.
Kasi nabanggit ang limit of
I think yes, it's one of the options.
Okay lang sa'yo.
Okay lang po sa akin. Sinabi ko as before kung anong project na gagawin niya. Of course, namin si Darna ay support all the way.
Thank you.
Roll at 5, 4, 3, 2.